Spice claps back after online user comments that her clothing brand is not of good quality.
But I wake up, you know? Our date, our time now. Wake up February 2020. And I wonder how we get so much hate and envy. Enough of them just bad mind. Money look plenty, waste time, bad moments. Cause them pocket empty.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
If you are a regular on the Dancehall IG platform, you'll know that I cover Spice new brand, the Graci Noir. So if you're a first timer, I did a couple of videos about Spice new brand. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, since Spice launched on October 1st, there has been a lot of talks about it, both good and bad, right? So I know that Spice see most of them and she alright with some of them because she not expect everybody to like it. And you can't expect everybody to like what you bring, you know what I mean? Everybody not gonna like my channel and I understand that, right? So I know that Spice understand that as well, but she get the support from her fans that people like it just as people have otherwise to say. Now, Spice not gonna react to everything, but however, there was one comment that really got Spice worked up, and Spice take it, screenshot it, and post it back on her page, right? And when we read the comment, y'all gonna say why Spice so upset about it. And anybody, you know what I mean, any human being on the face of the planet, this should have get to them, right? So this person comment and said, my mom got one and it was trash with that exaggeration, whole heap of H. Not good material. It wasn't comfy and it shrunk completely after she put it in the dryer. People, please don't buy. 3 exclamation sign. Save your money. This is not good quality. And she had talked about Spice clothing, obviously. Now Spice replied to that and Spice said, your mama must be a B-class duppy where I do our own shipping because me not even ship out one order yet and only start 8 for me already. Do me a favor please, since you draw your mama in a this, you and your mama and for your mama come bite me. Ma'am, I'm not sure what she has said so. Your mama and for your mama come bite me, something like that. I don't know. But I want to get the message though. You see me? So she also had a caption with it. So Spice, in the caption, Spice say, nobody don't tell me if you be the bigger person. I'm the smaller one. As she put her mama in a this. Hashtag bite me haters at Graci Noir has the best quality, period. Now people, let's talk about this little bit because if Spice not ship out nothing yet, how can somebody else say their mother buy it and its quality is not good, right? And say the quality is not good. That's like somebody's being really mischievous. But this is the internet. You see me, I say you do have trolls and you do have people where those there in yard that give problem. However, this is very like mischievous. This cross the line because you're really a lie upon somebody. This is like defamation. You know what I mean? You say you buy something and I give a feedback on it when it's a blatant lie. You see me? However, there's no rules and law against this, so I just the internet and people are going to do that and can do that. You see me? But Spice not having it. And you know them say everybody's entitled to their opinion. So the other comments them where people are say it look like Spice go get our brand from somewhere, you know what I mean, and just put the Graci Noir upon it. And me not really big up them there because them negative thing there, I don't really support them, you know what I mean? If you're not nothing good for say, you can just move along. Me see Spice thing, if I don't like it, I just scroll past. I don't have to criticize and bring it down on them thing there. You see what I say? That are just me still. Who want comment can comment. But however, this is not an opinion. This is somebody giving a factual account which turns out to be false. You know what I mean? It can be factual if it's false. But when I understand what I say, they might try present it as facts and it's actually false. So if Spice never said this, somebody could be influenced by this, like, oh, our mom buy it and it wasn't good. So you actually try for, you know, like how Jamaicans say, you take food out of Spice mouth, this so. Because you already I give reviews. This is like you going giving a review. Like, I bought this thing and it's not good. You know what I mean? My mother buy it, but she put it in the dryer and it shrink. The Graci Noir wash off or whatever. She never said that, but you know what I mean? That's the kind of picture she a try to paint. Now, Spice a human being and Spice I go react to this. However, though, there's a thing that I heard this morning. Me hear one vlogger say, see me, I say, big up yourself, my G. But a vlogger say, you have to wonder if it's like a stunt. Like if Spice are run a stunt pan way. But this is an opinion of mine now. Me I give you my opinion. I don't think Spice will go to the low of the low like that. She wouldn't, me not think, me have faith in a Spice. Say Spice wouldn't do something like this. You see me, I say Spice now go fake a comment and then reply to it and then post it and whatever for your attention. She do some other things, but not this. You see me, I said, this is really like, maybe it's a troll. Maybe somebody just want to piss off Spice. You see what I say? We never know. Because I remember people, now people like that, you know, enough people will comment there then yard and have them own issues and things are going on, and this is their way of venting and, you know what I mean? Just create mischief. Them unhappy, so them want somebody else unhappy. You know what I mean? They know say Spice might react a certain way. They might get a highlight on Spice page or something, so they might be successful in a whatever them did that try to do. We don't know the ins and outs. This is what I say. People think all kind of crazy way and do all kind of crazy thing without explanation. Not even them themselves can explain some of the things. But like me, I say, people, I see a lot of comments about Spice brand. I see people ask where it sell. I see people say it's not for them, and that's okay because, you know what I mean? Like I say, and not everybody I go wear Nike, said we, and everybody wear Adidas, said we, and everybody wear Louis, and everybody wear Gucci. So with every brand, it's the same thing. People now go wear it, and people are go wear it. But when you give a false account on somebody's product, that's actually out of the question. That's not cool. And I can't support that. So you get where you get one time a style Spice thing and Spice cloth you. You see me? So this is set as an example for the rest of the people when I go give them opinion but want to give a falsified account pan Spice brand or anything pertaining to Spice. You don't know how she go react, you don't know what she go do. You see me? And on a Spice alone, you have to deal with. You have to deal with the whole Team Spice. You see what I say, the whole Spice gang. So be aware of that, you know. But overall, people, I would just, you know what I mean, I would just prefer to see things go like how it should go. Like I said, if you see the thing and you have something, you know what I mean, constructive criticism, like you think Spice should have offer more of this or offer more of that, that's fine. If you see it and you say it's not for you, that's okay also. You know what I mean? If you see it and you say, well, you expect it to be something else or so, I think that's cool. But one time you go say, you know, you buy it, you actually spend your money and you get it. And think about it, people. Spice, it launched October 1st. So unless you live next door to Spice, you see me, I say, today is the 4th of October. Right? And this comment was yesterday, which was the 3rd. So, with all of the partying and thing that was Spice show up on the 1st, she definitely never shipped nothing on the 1st. Right? So, say she did get some order and she shipped it on the 2nd. You get it on the same day? So, obviously, it's not true. You see me? So, big up on yourself. May I leave it right there. So, you get in the comment section and tell me what you think about this right here. Tell me what you think about what Spice said. Tell me what you think about this person comment. And, you know what I mean, big up on yourself. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and commenting, right? Big up on yourself. So have a wonderful day and night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.